Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making pikliz. It's a spicy pickled cabbage and carrot condiment. For our ingredients, we have scotch bonnet, cabbage, carrots, garlic, limes, cloves, sugar, salt, vinegar, bell pepper, and onion. You want to slice all the ingredients. In a large bowl, you want to mix all your ingredients together. You want to cover it with the sugar, the salt, real good, and your lime juice. Then you want to add it to a large, airtight jar. You want to let it refrigerate for at least 24 hours before using. You want to place all your ingredients in an airtight jar and fill. You want to add your vinegar and your lime juice. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat.